your best interest. I had to learn the hard way. Put too much trust in a man